I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your Barclays account, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all relevant details about the transaction you want to dispute, including the date, amount, and description. This will help you present a clear case. Step 2. Log into your online banking. Access your Barclays online banking account using your credentials. Navigate to the section where you can view your transactions. Step 3. Locate the transaction. Find the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Click on it to view more details and look for the option to report an issue or dispute. Step 4. Submit your dispute. Follow the prompts to submit your dispute. Be sure to provide any additional information or evidence that supports your claim, such as screenshots or receipts. Step 5. Monitor your dispute status. After submitting, keep an eye on your email or online banking notifications for updates regarding your dispute. It may take some time for Barclays to investigate. Remember, if you encounter any issues while navigating the online banking platform, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Good luck with your dispute.